What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another update on Project TJ. Let's take a look at what we've done. It's paint removal time. That's right, guys. Project TJ is now in its next steps of removing that beautiful glossy factory PX8. That's the paint code, black. Now, this is just the start. So before all you professionals and backyard enthusiasts that are really good at it start coming down on me, this is the start. Most of this was done with a flap disc and a handheld sander. So I did play around a little bit. I shot some primer on before I did anything, just playing, so that's why this looks all different. Pay no attention to that. That's just experimenting. But yes, most of this is flap disc and the rest of it was a handheld. And then let's see, up here I didn't get very good at all. It's still a little wet too though. I did rinse it off. I gave it a good rinse. This I didn't touch up here at all. That's still that beautiful glossy black. Why am I holding you guys sideways? I'm sorry about that. But yeah, so we're starting to strip the paint off. And then we're gonna do some body work. And again, I'm not a professional mechanic. This is not my full-time job. This is just something I enjoy doing. But let me show you the body work we're gonna do, which is very minimal and requires a little bit of Bondo. Yep, Bondo. Everybody laughs about Bondo and body filler, but sometimes it's a necessity. Here's a perfect example. See how this is sunken in? You can tell by the high spots when sanding. So what I want to do, stick a golf tee in there, do a little body filler around it, try to get that smooth. I'm not going to take away any of the metal because I need an anchor point for the fender flares, but just to bring that indentation out a little bit. And I think there's some other places down here it's pretty bad. Yeah. So that's where we're at, and as we do more, I'll give you another update. But for right now, we're just removing the paint, we're stripping it down, we're gonna do a lot of sanding. I want a really smooth metal work before I primer it. I guess is technically how you say it. I don't know. Anyway, folks, that's it for the update on Project TJ. Check back for some more videos. We'll catch you later. See ya. Take care. Bye-bye. That's the tire track to nowhere. But where does it go? That's kind of dumb for an intro.